So, no one on the internet can seem to answer this question, but I keep blowing fuse number 17. It's a Jeep 1993 Cherokee. It's a sport edition with the automatic transmission. So, you got no gauges, none of your gauges are working. You're wondering why. You're putting a new fuse in. You go through a whole box of fuses, still don't know why. Well, my problem was solved by the magnetic coil here. It's an interlock for your transmission. That coil is all bound together and shorting out. So disconnect that white wire, then come over here, disconnect this rod that flips down. You just pop that rod out, put your fuse in, and you're off to go. Don't put a bigger fuse in like everybody's recommending. It takes a 7.5 amp. Do not put anything bigger, or you will catch fire on the side of the road and you'll burn out your ignition switch. Another thing, if you start your Jeep after some scumbag steals it like this, sticking a screwdriver in there, and now your Jeep won't turn off, what you're gonna do is look and see if you have an old automatic start. Unplug everything and your Jeep will turn off. This little box is confusing the ECU and keeping your Jeep running. It's grounding out inside. So hopefully this helps somebody. And yeah, because nobody could seem to fix my problem, so I had to fix it myself.